Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine Vargas. So today we're going to do a Buzzlight inspired look. I already have my face done and we're going to use the Beige Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to start off by taking this purple shade on a flat shader brush and I'm just going to pat that on my lid. Why do I feel like the Take Me Back to Brazil palette is starting to become underrated? We have like a bunch of new releases. We have like the James Charles palette, the Pride palette by Morphe, and all these colorful palettes coming out. And I feel like people are starting to forget this one, which sucks because it's so affordable and it's so bomb. Then I'm going to take this pencil brush by Beige Cosmetics and I'm taking this kind of turquoise shade and I'm going to use that to blend out the purple. So I also recommend you don't use a blending brush, use a pencil brush because that's going to give you the most like color payoff, and the blending brush is just going to blend it away. So yeah, just a little tip there. Then I'm taking this, I honestly don't even know what the fuck it's called. I'm gonna call it the color remover. I'm taking the color remover and just using that to wipe away any color that was on my brush. Then I'm taking this lime neon green and I'm gonna use that to blend out the blue. Now this step is very important. You kind of want to go back with all three of the colors that you used and just build it up, just because most of it may have gotten blended away and you want to have the colors to look as vibrant as possible. Then I'm going to take the e.l.f. Cosmetics concealer in the shade Light Sand and a little tiny flat shader brush, if that's what you call it, and I'm going to use that to cut my crease. By the way, did you guys see on Twitter that video of the girl that can do like the cut crease in like one swipe? Like, I could fucking never, ever. I have to take my time. I have too many wrinkles on my eyelid. Like, I can't do it. Then you're gonna go in with this blue shade, the one that we used, and we're gonna put that on the outer part of the cut crease just to blend it in with the purple. Then as you see here, we're going to take the lime green shade and we're going to pat it down to like the middle of the cut crease. We're just going to leave the top of the cut crease bare, if that makes sense. I don't know, you'll see. Then going in with the 3 shades, I'm going to run that on my bottom lash line, going from darkest to lightest. Then now that I let the concealer set, I'm going to take this white shade right here and just put it on the top half of the cut crease. Then I went ahead and did the other eye off camera, and then now I'm just going to put on some mascara just so it could blend well with the lashes. I'm using the AliExpress lashes. My cheap ass had to buy them from there. You already know I got a pack of like 2 for like $3. Had to wait a month, I give it that. Had to wait a month because it came from China, but was worth it. And this completes the look. Thank you for taking the time to watch.